Hello everyone, and welcome back to our quiet space for learning. I'm Ed, and joining me is the ever-thoughtful Eddy.
He talks. I contemplate.
Today, we are exploring a powerful concept. It's a concept that can truly change your relationship with English. We often talk about studying English. But what if we tried living with English instead? Many learners feel stuck in a loop. They attend classes. They review their notes. They try to memorize long lists of words. This is the traditional way. But when a real conversation happens, they freeze. The words feel distant and unnatural. The secret is integration, not just study. It means inviting English into your small daily moments. It's about making English your companion, not your homework.
A forest grows from many single seeds. Not from one giant tree appearing overnight.
That's a perfect analogy, Eddy. So let's plant our first seed. Habit 1. Your first thoughts of the day. This starts the second you wake up. Before you reach for your phone, before you even get out of bed, try to form one simple thought in English. It doesn't need to be profound. Simplicity is the key. For instance, you could think to yourself, "The sun is rising. I feel a bit tired. I need to stretch my legs. What will I do today?" Let's examine that last sentence. The sun is rising. This uses the present continuous tense. We form it with the verb to be. In this case, is, plus the main verb with an ing ending. Rise becomes rising. It describes an action that is happening right now. The goal is to connect your real experience directly to English words. You are bypassing translation. You see the sun rising, and you think the English words for it. This builds a strong, direct neural pathway.
My morning thoughts are very direct. The floor is cold. The blanket is warm. I will stay here for 5 more minutes.
Simple, effective, and very wise. Now for our second habit. This one involves a device you probably use hundreds of times a day. I am talking about your phone. A powerful action you can take right now is to change your phone's language to English. I know this can feel a little intimidating at first. But your brain is smart. It will adapt quickly because you already know where everything is. Every time you unlock your phone, you will be having a micro lesson. You will learn essential digital vocabulary without even trying. Words like settings, notifications, brightness, and wallpaper. Let's take the word notifications. A notification is an alert or a message. When you see you have 3 new notifications, you understand its meaning from the context. You will also see verbs like to share, to save, or to forward. This is called passive learning. You absorb information naturally through repeated exposure. You are creating an immersion environment, right in your pocket.
My phone would only have 3 words: eat, sleep, and bark.
A simple life. Our third habit is about activating your voice. I call this narrating your now. As you perform simple everyday actions, whisper them to yourself in English. This feels strange for about 5 minutes, and then it becomes a powerful tool. For example, if I'm in the kitchen, I might say, I am opening the fridge. I am looking for the milk. Now I am pouring the milk into my mug. Let's analyze the verb to pour. To pour means to make a liquid flow from a container. You pour coffee. You pour water. You can even say, it's pouring when it is raining very heavily. By speaking the action as you do it, you are creating a memory that links the word to a physical experience. This is much stronger than just reading a word in a book. Okay, moving on to our fourth daily habit. This one is incredibly practical. Write your daily to-do list or your shopping list in English. This small change turns a normal task into a learning opportunity. Instead of your usual list, you will write things like, buy groceries, go to the post office, call my mother. Let's examine the phrase, buy groceries. Groceries is a great noun. It refers to all the food and household supplies you buy at a supermarket. It's more natural than saying, buy all the food for the house. For your shopping list, you'll write specific items: laundry detergent, onions, chicken breast. You are learning the real names for the things in your life.
My to-do list is consistent. Number 1, nap. Number 2, wait for food. Number 3, second nap.
It's an efficient system. Now for our fifth daily habit, which happens at the end of the day. Record a 1-minute voice journal. This is one of my personal favorites. Before sleeping, open your phone's voice recording app. Press record and just talk. Speak for 60 seconds about what happened in your day. It doesn't have to be perfect. No one else will hear it. This is a safe space for you to practice. You could say something like, today was quite busy. I had to finish a report for work. In the evening, I cooked pasta. Let's focus on the phrasal verb to finish a report. Actually, this is not a phrasal verb. It's a collocation. That means these words are often used together by native speakers. We finish a report, we don't end a report. This practice helps you get used to the sound of your own voice in English. It builds confidence and fluency in a low-pressure way. You will start to notice your common mistakes and can correct them. So, let's do a quick recap. 1. Think your first thoughts in English. 2. Change your phone's language setting. 3. Narrate your daily actions out loud. 4. Write your lists in English. And 5. Record a 1-minute voice journal at night. Each of these actions is small. Each one takes only a few minutes. But when you combine them, you are creating a powerful system for natural learning. You are turning dead time into active practice. You stop studying English and start living with it.
Practice is not an event. It is a habit.
Thank you so much for joining us today. Choose just one of these habits to try this week. See how it feels. We would love to hear about your experience in the comments. Until next time, be calm, be consistent, and keep practicing.